welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shell. Make sure you like and subscribe if you did not. I am doing my maintenance Monday, and I am going to be doing two things. One is going to be Birch. I know I've been did her, but I never really said about the maintenance of it. I'm sorry about the audio, guys, but I just want to let you know that I am going to show different styles that I did do Birch this whole time. So, this look is a style that I've been seeing a lot of artists and hairstylists do lately, and I wanted to try it, so I did, and I'm kind of on the outs about how I did it. Maybe because my bang is too bumped, but it's like a half up, half down with a bang, and then the sideburns on the side. So if you don't know, this is Birch. I'll leave links to it below. I'm not going to go into much into this unit because I already did in its previous videos. Just want to let you know what it is. It is low maintenance. Even though it is a frontal wig, it is low maintenance. It already comes pre-plucked. It comes with sideburns. You really don't have to do anything with this wig. I bought this wig back in February, March, and it is now July. Okay, that's all I gotta say. It just speaks for itself. I'll leave links to where I got it from. But yeah, this wig is low maintenance. It is bomb. It reminds me of Brazilian hair. This is Brazilian hair, and as you can see, like, you can apply heat to it. Basically what I did, I'm gonna move in a little bit so you guys can see. I had some old Brazilian hair because when I first did it, like, the hair was just sticking up. So I just only have 3 tracks in here. I put 3 tracks in here, and then I took one of my old tracks, only one long track, and I wrapped it around the original ponytail, and then I just put it in like a little bun, and this is what I came up with. So yeah, you guys, if I was you, I would cop this wig. It's called Birch. It's from Mane Concepts. I'll leave links to where you can get it from. It is kind of on the higher price range, but it's worth it, okay? This is Brazilian on a budget. That's all I'm gonna say. If you ain't got this wig, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, let me know how y'all like her. And then we're going to go to the next wig. But I just wanted to show you guys her. And next we are going to do Mila. And if you're not familiar with Mila, here is the stock cop for her. And she is from Freetress Equal. And I love her. She also comes in different colors. I should have got the blonde. That blonde looks real good. But yeah, I had Mila for about 2 weeks now. Maybe even 3. And she is still... okay, bomb. Mila is rated low maintenance. She is a must buy. I only got her for $14.99. Let me say it again. $14.99. She is bomb. She is a necessity. She's for the hot girl summer. I'm trying to tell you. Like, I just can't believe that she was $14.99. And this is a wig that you can keep. I will not be throwing her away. I will be keeping her. I was going to do the same method and put some tracks in because, like I said in the previous video, I don't like how thin the bang is. But I was like, I'm just going to keep it naturally black because I just like it. And I got so many compliments on Mila. But yeah, she is rated low maintenance. I will leave links to her below. I will also leave links to where you can get her from. I didn't really style her. There's not really too much you can do. But the style that I did like doing on this wig was like having the corner out and having behind the ear. And no, it was cute. And you can also do the other side too if you want it. Mind you, this unit does not have any combs in it, so you're gonna have to either bobby pin or sew it down. But I kind of like this look too. But that's all for Maintenance Monday. If you like this, let me know. If there's anything else that you would like to see me do, let me know as well. Until next time, deuces, guys.